Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we re-diving deep into one of the most fascinating and functional architectural styles making a huge comeback in the world of Barndominiums, the Dogtrot house. You might also hear it called a breezeway house or a dog run house. Whatever you call it, this design is pure genius, blending history, practicality, and stunning aesthetics all into one. So, if you're dreaming of a barndo that's a little different, one that connects you with the outdoors while keeping you comfortable, you're in the right place. Let's explore why a Dog Trot Barndominium might be the perfect design for your dream home. First things first, what exactly is a Dog Trot house? The concept is beautifully simple. It's essentially two separate living quarters or pods connected by a large, covered open-air breezeway right through the middle. Imagine a traditional rectangular home, but you've carved out a huge hallway in the center that's open on both ends. This central breezeway is the Dog Trot. The name comes from the old days when the family dog would often be found napping in this cool, shaded passageway to escape the summer heat. It's a design that originated in the southern United States, a brilliant, low-tech solution for natural air conditioning long before modern HVAC systems existed. Now, let's translate this historical design into a modern barndominium. The beauty of a barndo is its versatile, open-span steel structure, which makes it incredibly easy to adapt the Dog Trot layout. You can have two distinct pods under one continuous roofline. This architectural separation is where the magic really happens. One side of your barndo could be the primary living area, think kitchen, dining room, and living room. The other side could house the private spaces, bedrooms, bathrooms, and maybe a home office or a quiet study. This separation creates a natural sound buffer and a sense of privacy that's hard to achieve in a completely open concept home. It's perfect for families with different schedules, or if you frequently host guests and want to give them their own dedicated space. But the real star of the show is the breezeway itself. This isn't just a hallway, it's a multifunctional outdoor living room. The roof overhead protects you from the sun and rain, while the open ends invite a constant, refreshing breeze. Think about the possibilities. You can furnish it with comfortable outdoor sofas and chairs, creating the ultimate lounge area. Add a large dining table, and you have the perfect spot for alfresco dining, family barbecues, or just enjoying your morning coffee while listening to the birds. It's an extension of your living space that truly merges the indoors with the outdoors. You can hang porch swings, set up a game area with a ping pong table, or even install an outdoor fireplace or fire pit at one end for cozy evenings. One of the biggest advantages of the Dog Trot design, especially in warmer climates, is its incredible energy efficiency. That central breezeway acts as a natural ventilation system. By strategically opening doors and windows on either side of the pods, you can create a cross breeze that pulls cool air through the entire home, significantly reducing your reliance on air conditioning. In the summer, the breezeway remains shaded and cool, providing a comfortable retreat. In the winter, you can enclose the breezeway with large glass doors, like garage-style roll-up doors or sliding glass panels. This transforms the space into a sunroom or a four-season room, passively heating your home and giving you a protected area to enjoy the winter scenery. Let's talk about aesthetics. A Dog Trot Barndominium has a unique and striking look. The symmetry of the two pods balanced by the central void creates a powerful visual statement. It can be rustic, with exposed wooden beams and classic board and batten siding, or it can be sleek and modern, with clean lines, large expanses of glass, and a metal roof. The breezeway itself offers a grand sense of entry and a wow factor that's hard to beat. As you approach the front, you can see straight through the house to the view beyond, whether it's a forest, a lake, or a rolling pasture. This creates an immediate connection to the landscape that is simply breathtaking. When planning your Dog Trot barndo, there are a few layout ideas to consider. A popular configuration is the public versus private split. As I mentioned, one pod holds the social spaces like the great room and kitchen, while the other contains the bedrooms and bathrooms. This is fantastic for entertaining. Guests can move freely through the living area and the breezeway without ever needing to enter the private zones of the house. Another option is a work versus play split. You could have your main living quarters on one side and a dedicated workshop, home office, art studio, or even a home gym on the other. This physical separation helps create a mental separation, allowing you to leave work at the end of the day by simply walking across the breezeway. For families with older children or those who need a multi-generational living solution, the Dog Trot is perfect. The second pod can function as a completely separate in-law suite or an apartment for a young adult, complete with its own small kitchenette and bathroom. This provides both independence and proximity, which is a rare and valuable combination. Of course, there are some considerations. If you live in a very cold, snowy climate, an open breezeway might not be practical year-round without some form of enclosure. You'll need to invest in high-quality, well-insulated glass doors or panels if you want to use the space during the winter. You also need to think about how you'll move between the two pods in bad weather. While the roof offers protection from rain, a windy, driving storm could still be an issue. Some people solve this by having a smaller, enclosed secondary hallway at the back of the structure connecting the two pods, giving you the option of an indoor or outdoor path. The foundation and roofing are also key. You'll be working with one large, continuous foundation slab and a single, unified roof structure that spans the entire building, including the breezeway. This is where the cost-effectiveness of Barndominium construction really shines. The simplicity of the steel frame makes creating that long, clear span for the roof much easier and more affordable than with traditional wood framing. So, is a Dog Trot Barndominium right for you? If you love the idea of seamless indoor-outdoor living, if you crave natural light and fresh air, and if you appreciate a home design that is both historically significant and incredibly modern, the answer is a resounding yes. It's a design that encourages you to slow down, to connect with nature, and to enjoy your home in a whole new way. The flexibility it offers is unparalleled, allowing you to customize the two pods to perfectly fit your lifestyle, whether you need a guest suite, a home office, or just a quiet retreat from the main living area. It's a statement piece, a conversation starter, and a truly functional piece of art. If you're intrigued by this design, I highly recommend looking up some floor plans and virtual tours online. You'll be amazed at the creativity and ingenuity people have brought to the Dog Trot concept. From rustic farmhouses to minimalist modern marvels, the possibilities are truly endless. That's all for today's deep dive into Dog Trot Barndominiums. I hope this has inspired you and given you some new ideas for your own dream Barndo project. What do you think of this design? Would you build one? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I love hearing from you. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about unique home designs, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.